friends, I'm Tulika and today we are going to talk about prepositions. Now I will not start with the rules because that gets a little difficult. So we are going to start with an incident. Okay, so there were these three friends and they decided to go to a pool on a hot summer day. Now they all decided that they would go in a bike. Now though they are three and it's a little dangerous, but then the swimming pool was nearby. So they decided to go in a bike. Now, when they reached the swimming pool, it was closed because they forgot that it was a Sunday. So the swimming pool was closed. So they thought of going on a water park. Now, they went to the water park and they were really happy that they made that decision because it was super fun. There were many rides there. Now, they wanted to go at a ride, but then they were really scared about it, right? So they wanted to go at a ride, but then they were scared. So somehow they mustered courage and went straight in it. Okay, so this incident, I have used a lot of prepositions. Let's look at a few of the sentences. In a bike, so I have used the preposition in. Then I am talking about on a water park, preposition on. At a ride, preposition at. And then straight, in it. Now, they are all incorrectly used. Why are they incorrect? Let's start with the first one. In a bike. Now, whenever I'm talking about in, it talks about enclosed area or something that is inside. For example, this marker, I put it here. Now, where's the marker? The marker is in the notebook because it is already inside. So, it would not be in a bike. They decided to go on a bike, or you could also say they decided to go by bike, right? The next one, on a water park. Now, whenever I'm talking about on is used when two surfaces touch each other. For example, this marker is on the duster. Why? Because the surface of the duster and the surface of the marker are in touch. So it would not be on a water park. They decided to go to a water park. Okay. The next, at a ride. Now, I would say at a ride when I'm standing here and here is the ride. So I am waiting for you at the ride would be correct. But they had to go in the ride. So they were scared to climb on a particular ride. Because again, on talks about two surfaces touching. So anyone would always climb onto a ride. Climb onto a horse, climb on a ride. So that is on. Next sentence, they went straight in it. Now, though they were inside the ride, but if you're talking about going straight, so it would be they went straight into it. Why into? Because into talks about motion. When something from outside goes inside, then that motion of going from outside to inside or from one place to another is into. Okay. For example, he jumped into the pool, but he was swimming in the pool. That means he was already there in the pool. But if he jumped from outside, then he jumped from outside into the pool. Okay. So into talks about motion. Right. So we did 4 prepositions today. On, to, on and at, in and into. More than 4. So on talks about two surfaces touching. To talks about a particular place, the direction. On talks about again two surfaces touching. At talks about a particular point in a given place. Okay, that is at. And then straight into it. Into talks about motion and in talks about something that's already inside. Right? So these were the 4 or 5 prepositions that we discussed. Do let me know if you have any questions about the same. Thank you.